Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Google Analytics to Google Ads in 2024. Today, we're exploring a crucial aspect of digital advertising, which is connecting Google Analytics to Google Ads. By linking these two powerful platforms, you can gain a deeper insight into your advertising campaign performance, track conversions, and optimize your marketing efforts effectively. So this tutorial will walk you through the process to seamless integration Google Analytics with Google Ads. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up or sign in for your Google Analytics and Google Ads. To do so, go and open a browser that you will use. For me here, I'm going to use like a Brave browser. Of course, for you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that Brave browser, simply go to this URL section and here type ads example.google.com. Then simply a new tab and type on it analytics google.com and hit the enter button. Make sure to log in or to sign up into both of your options. For me here, I'll just go and click on sign in on ads. For Google Analytics, I'm already signed in, it seems. Yeah. So let me just wait here for this until signed in. Yeah, I'm already signed in now. So as you can see, make sure to sign in both of your accounts, Google Analytics and Google Ads. And now, of course, if your Google Ads account is not like the same, because Google Analytics and Google Ads uses Google account to sign up or to sign in into a new account. So you make sure to create an account on Google Analytics and Google Ads with the same Google account. As you can see, I'm using this email here for Google Ads and the same email for Google Analytics. So it basically has a basic connection between the two of them. But of course, if you go here to Google Ads as an example, as you can see, even in the home screen, we'll find on this like tools. If we go to tools here and click on data manager, so all you need to do is simply click on tools, then data manager. Once you do so, you'll find here some popular products. What you're looking for is simply this Google Analytics. All you need to do is simply go and click on that. And as you can see, for me, because I have like three accounts on Google Analytics, give me here three. For you, just choose. If you have one, just select it. If you don't have just one, make sure to select like the specific one. Example, this one for me, it's 963. So it should be 963 or something like that. Or yeah, it's 96. So I'll just choose this one to connect it with it. And I'll go click on next. Here, as you can see, make sure, so as you can see, it will connect to that account. So what will this do? Data share from Google Analytics and Firebase to Google Ads. You'll be able to import app and web metrics, turn on to use Google Analytics apps and web metrics to give you a more customer-centric measurement of how users interact with your ads. And you can, of course, learn more about using A4 metrics in Google Ads from here. So if you click on it, and the same, you'll be able to import some Google Analytics audience. You'll be able to turn on the Google Analytics audience or Analytics apps and web metrics to give you more customer-centric measurements on how to users interact with your ads. You'll be able to open that to read more about it. If you want them both, check or make them on. If you don't want them both, make them off. If you want just one, make it on, and the other one you can make it off. So for me, I'll let them both on, and I'll click on link. And as you can see, okay, we did not read the important notice, but as you can see, what's next? So it may take up to 24 hours for your Google Ads to link to begin displaying data. So if you did not find any data yet right now, you'll have to wait a bit until you find, of course, your data. And as you can see the app and web metrics in Google Ads. Add new column in Google Ads to display important analytics metrics like bounce rate and average session duration right alongside your standard Google Ads performance data. And of course, you'll be able to import conversions into Google Ads. You can easily import your analytics conversions into Google Ads, allowing you to make more informed refinement to your campaigns from your Google Ads account. And you can create a contain, of course, audience analytics segment your audience to past users and delivers relevant ads to your Google campaigns based on the action that people have taken on your site and in your app. So as you can see, Google now analytics is already linked to my Google Ads. So I'll click on done. And it's all, as you can see, connected products is this. I can of course click on manage end link, and if I want to, as an example, by any chance to end link it. Oh, sorry, I click on that's by mistake. So by any chance, if you want to unlink it, you'll be able to, if you want to. So just click on cancel now. Basically, you'll be able to click on manage and simply you'll be able to click on end link here. Or if you don't want any of those options, you can go and turn them off and simply go and click on save changes and you will be good to go without any problems. Of course, now and once you verify the connection is done, you can, of course, once your Google Analytics and Google Ads accounts are linked, you can use, of course, the insights from Google Analytics to optimize your Google Ads campaign effectively. You can analyze performance data, identify high performance keywords, audience, and ad effective, and adjust your campaigns accordingly to maximize the ROI. So that's it for me today. I hope you like it. Of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.